about to hit the butter churn. Ready, Pants?
Sure this is the only way?
You picked the route. You wanted to save 2 days.
Butter churn. How literal a metaphor?
If you have anything of value, I would recommend that you store below deck.
Since I consider myself of value, I will see you all on the other side.
Wait a minute. McGregor, wait a minute. Do not lose it.
You see that? I want you to bring that to me. Entendido?
It's been lovely knowing you.
Don't say that.
Go.
Oh, not you again. Go away.
You sure you're up for this, Pants?
Just drive the boat, Skippy.
Ruddy cat!
What are you doing?
Incessant.
Here we go. You okay, lady?
I'm fine.
You want to turn back, Pants?
No, just getting started.
Good. Me too.
Slow down!
You want to turn back?
Just drive!
Looks like you wet your pants, Pants.
That was a wave.
You should give up.
You should give up the guitar.